How to use Shop Cash in Shop. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can use Shop Cash in the Shop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to Shop.app, and once you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, you have to select the order. First of all, in order to use the Shop Cash. Here I have already added a product into my cart. So once you have added your product into the cart, navigate to your cart section. Now to use the Shop Cash, you have to hit towards the checkout prompt. For that, click on Continue to Checkout button. Once you reach the checkout section, now you have to add your payment method. Enter your required details as asked here. You have to provide your delivery details. Under that, there is a payment method. So under this payment method, if you could find your Shop Cash, you can directly use it in the Shop.app. And once you have applied your Shop Cash, you cannot remove or save it. So you must finalize your order once you have applied it. And in case if you cannot find the Shop Cash here, if you could only find the credit card, make sure that you are purchasing from the store where the Shop Cash is available. If the store does not allow the Shop Cash, then you will not be able to purchase that product using the Shop Cash. There might be other options such as credit cards. So you have to go through the credit cards. So for that, make sure that the Shop Cash is allowed or the store supports Shop Pay Checkout, which will let you redeem the Shop Cash. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.